Now we will learn to read more words with long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Let's take a look at the first board. C-A-R-E. C-A-R-E. And remember, letter E is silent. Care. Care has a long vowel sound. Let's take a look at the next board. C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. Car has a short vowel sound. Let's turn to the next slide. Next is letter E. These are words that begin with letter E. E says E as in eagle. Where's the eagle? Eagle begins with long vowel sound. E says E as in earring. Where's the earring? Earring begins with long vowel sound. E says E as in eel. Where's the eel? Now going back to all these long vowel sounds, let's read them again. Eagle, earring, eel. You notice they have E and A. It makes one sound, long vowel sound. E, E, two E's makes one sound, long vowel sound. Let's continue. E says E as in egg. Egg begins with short vowel sound. E says E as in elbow. Elbow begins with short vowel sound. A says A as in elephant. Elephant begins with short vowel sound. Now, I utilize picture naming and word production. In the previous slide and all of the following slides, the words and its corresponding pictures was and will be matched to make a connection and meaning of the spoken words. This will help learners gain vocabulary meaning and language acquisition. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow my next lesson. High five. Great job. Thumbs up.